Powerpuff Girl. Today, guys, Cinco Creations have sent me some Barbie slime. So, guys, this is putty slime with magic glittering. Includes rings, sequins, super stretchy, and it's really cool because it actually tells you rose slimes. It tells you what colour the slime is, and it comes with a magic ring with sparkles on it. So you can wear the ring, and with the sparkles inside, you can pour it into your slime, and the slime is super stretchy. Guys, I got 3 pots here. So I got rose, yellow, and violet. So I'm going to open yellow. So I'm going to move that out of the way. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. So I got a magic ring. Let's take the slime out first. Whoa. Whoa, it's so clear and it's so bright. The ring's in a little bag, so we're going to have to get... Okay, let's just open the bag. Ooh. Hey guys, so here's the ring. It has one of the Barbie dolls in it, but let's take it off and open it and put my sparkles in it. So it's like really easy to take off. Oh, the sparkles are really weird. I feel like glue a bit. So satisfying. Let's mix the sparkles in. ASMR. Oh, I did make a bubble, but it is super stretchy. I love this. You've got to play with the slime to warm it up to make it super stretchy. I actually made a bubble. Ah! Ooh. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Sorry guys, just playing with my awesome slime. Bury the ring of the slime. Okay, next we're going to be opening rose slime. Whoa. This looks like the same colour as my thingy here. There's a bubble in it. Put that. Take all the slime out. Would be cool if the tub was clear, because then you could get all the glitter. Circle around the top and just put your finger in, and then you could see all the glitter in it. Whoa, we actually have Barbie on here. This one. Yes! Okay, let's take the ring out. I don't know which side to take it out. I think it's this side. Yeah, this side. Take it out this side. We're going to take all the slime off it, and then we're going to open it, because that's the way I like to do stuff. See? Whoa, that is so stretchy. I like a swirl. Fabulous. And add our ring glitter. This is stars I'm putting in, but it's like slime itself. Added it in. I don't really want to add these in though. It's so cool in itself. It is. This is like stretchy putty. Okay, I'm gonna open the next one now. So, yeah, put that in. Oh, I like this slime. Let's have a look at the last one, guys. We got a purple one here. Open it. Oh, wow. Okay, maybe we're just gonna open the bag first. Okay, guys, so this one does not come with any face on it, but let's still open it. Oh, it does actually. Oh, it's very hard to see though. We got love hearts. Here's the heart and the ring. Let's do some satisfying stuff. That was not satisfying. Whoa. Let's get it mushed in before we do some silly stuff. Didn't do it. This one is so much fun to play with. It's so satisfying, so stretchy. You should definitely go and buy this. Guys, if you like these are available in the Works, the Range, Entertainer, Morrisons, You should go buy these because it's really cool and super stretchy. Got some galaxy slime here. No little drip. Okay guys, this is what we got sent. We got sent a rose slime, a violet slime and a yellow slime. So thank you Cinco Creations for sending me this. It's the best slime ever. So my favourite, I don't have a favourite. I like them all guys. But I got more colours, so you should go and buy these. Stretch tongue. Da-da-da-da. Oh, see you soon guys. Bye.